If you have, specifically, a 1986 Jeep Cherokee or Comanche with the 2.5-liter engine, the air filter for it is a one model year only part that is not compatible with 87 plus. And of course, the 85 prior models were carbureted. The Fram part number you're after is therefore not 3901, it's 3373. Why have a single year air filter that won't fit any other air box? Well, because that's just how AMC rolls. Turns out the YJ Wrangler uses that weird smaller air filter too, but kept it around all the way through 1995. The XJ and MJ, which got the 4-liter in 1987, would use the same airbox for both engines starting in that year. So an 87 plus 2.5-liter in these vehicles just uses the same filter as the 4-liter. This truck's air filter hadn't been replaced probably since before I was born, so I wished for a new one from Santa last Christmas. Then I challenged Clay to replace it.
Jeez. All right, here we go.
So we go ahead and open the box, take the thing out. That's what it looks like.
Yep, certified air filter. Oh yeah, there's storage right there.
Yeah. Leave that in there. That's important. Come over here. See, there's these latches. Bam. Come over this way. We got 3 latches right here, here, and here, and then one right here, kind of hidden. Yeah. Secret latch. I think that's all of them. Yeah. And then it should just come right out.
All right. Yeah, look at that thing. That probably, seriously, that hasn't been replaced in decades.
This obviously looks very pristine. We probably don't need to change this, but for the video, we're going to go ahead and change it.
All right, yep.
Use this.
Yeah.
And it just slips right in there.
Yep, just like that. Damn, you're such a mechanic.
All right.
I'm so glad I have you in my
And you
life.
put the cover back on, make sure it's snug. Right on there. Okay, and then all 5 clips go right back on. There we go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kind of hurts a little bit.
Yeah, intentional AMC design right there.
Yeah. Right. Yep.
Don't hurt yourself, man. Jeez. Okay.
All right. Now you have a brand new air filter on your Jeep Comanche. What year is this? I forgot.
Yeah, that's fine. It doesn't matter. All right. I'm ready. What's going on in there?
There we go. All right.
You got it? Okay.
Put clutch in before I start it.
Oh, you're making the tutorial.
I need help.
Phone a friend. All right, Cam, what do you do?
Is it
What?
neutral? What? No, I don't. It's in first.
So take it out.
Okay. It's in.
All right. Everything's fixed. It runs perfectly smooth. Excellent work, Clay. Yeah. Yeah, look at it. It sounds brand new. Like, what can I say? We fixed everything, Clay. Good job. All right, yeah, so thanks Clay. Now that this engine runs perfectly smooth, I'm ready for whatever the road ahead of me brings.